Hi, in this video, I'm going to tell you about a website uh, that is sheethacks.com. So, this website is very useful for the people who work on Excel or Google Sheets. So, like if you're not able to find something on how to do that on Excel or Google Sheets, you can come here and search for it. Like in this case, if you want to like uh, if you're working on an Excel sheet and if you don't know how to like uh, split the text or anything, extract the username from email, so that you can search for here, and this will give you the article on this. Or like if you want to um, like search for anything, say that two easy ways to sort your data horizontally in Google Sheets. So this, if you want to know about this, so like you can click here and this will show it, and you just need to filter this out, and after this it will come here, and then you can see the video or visit this link or share with the someone who wants to know about this. So once you will visit this, so this will open redirect you to the YouTube video, and it will play out the video for you. And so you just have to search your question here, and if there is any YouTube video or any article um, based on the that question which you have asked, so this will redirect you to that, and you don't need to search manually on Google or anywhere, and you don't need to like look here and there for your solution. You can directly search here, and this you can find out here. And this is a very good website for the people who use Excel or Google Sheets. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Share it with your friends who are looking for such a tool. So